Hey everyone! Want to listen to Spotify songs offline but don't have premium? Here's what you need to know and what to do. First, open your Spotify app on your phone, and if without premium, you can't download song directly for offline playback. Downloads are only for premium users. However, you can add songs to your playlist so they are easy to find anytime. To do that, tap the three dots next to the song and select Add to Playlist or like it by tapping the heart icon. If you want offline music, you can use Spotify Premium's free trial to download songs legally. And that's it. While you can't download song without premium, creating playlist or using the free trial is the best way to enjoy Spotify offline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!